With Minexa.ai, both developers and non-developers train once on a page in the browser, then reuse that scraper across thousands of similar pages, making scraping job listings a breeze. Navigate to the Jora.com page you want to scrape. Whether it's a dynamic or JavaScript-heavy site, Minexa works directly on the live rendered page. Open the extension. Minexa works directly on the page you are viewing, ready to help you extract job listings from Jora.com. Press the button so Minexa reads the page structure. It detects whether results use pagination, infinite scroll, or a load more system automatically for scraping job listings. Minexa spotted the pagination. All pages will be scraped automatically each time this scraper runs, ensuring you get all job listings without extra effort. Choose List Only for quick datasets, or Detail pages when each job links to more information you need, balancing speed and depth of data extraction. Click Continue when everything is already loaded on the page. Advanced mode handles cases where the page changes after a user action for accurate scraping. If the selection looks right, click Create Scraper and move to the next step where Minexa identifies all job listing details automatically. Your full data structure is ready. Select fields like job title, company, location, and date posted, and this scraper will use them every time it runs on Jora job listings. Click API Request to get ready to run Python code that scrapes this exact data. Your scraper ID and request payload are already filled in for easy integration. Nothing gets guessed. Click Complete Configuration and any missing field will always show as blank, keeping your data clean and reliable. All pages are set. Your scraper will collect everything across the full result set on every run, including the next page button detected automatically. Ready to extract. You can also send results straight to Google Sheets by connecting it here before creating the job for seamless data access. Launch Run to start extraction. Missing fields are returned as null, so outputs stay clean and database safe without guessed values for all your job listing data. Every row in this dataset is a confirmed match. If a page looked different, Minexa returns an error instead of mixing wrong data. You'll see job titles, companies, locations, and posting dates, all cleanly extracted and ready to use. Click Export. The scraper is saved and can be run again whenever you need an updated version of this dataset to keep your job listings fresh. Any website, any data, Minexa handles the scraping, the structure, and the delivery, so you just focus on what you need for your Australian job market insights and beyond.